Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome once again on Pringle Academy's platform, wherein we are going to introduce a new challenge today in association with Entrepreneurship Garage. And with that, I would like to request Prakash to talk about this challenge. What is Studentpreneur Challenge and why it is so important in today's scenario? Prakash, you are on mute.
Yeah, very healthy and safe. Good evening to our viewers. This is Prakash Chaudhary, co-founder and CEO Entrepreneurship Garage. Welcome to the webinar where we will exchange the thoughts discussing on how to get the right entrepreneurship mindset. So before we start that, let me give a quick introduction about our event. That is India's biggest Studentpreneur Challenge 2020, where we are inviting students from 18 to 24 age from across India who are passionate to start a startup or holds a solid idea and ready to shape, or one who is keen to experience the entrepreneurial journey. At this challenge, students will undergo 3 challenge levels to pitch the investors from across border for funding. This has been initiated by Entrepreneurship Garage and Bringle Academy with a strong purpose to support ideas of every student, because every idea has to be noticed. We see students wipe many ideas into dust, where they seek support in encouraging the ideas and shaping them to take to the market. And here we are to take the ideas to the next stage, where students will learn from the best of the industry experts at our talks element, get mentors from the best of the business leaders to build the business model and pitch to the strategic and financial investors from cross borders. With this, we will get the best 100 studentpreneurs of the year 2020, and that's our aim. For more details, you can visit to bringleacademy.com/workshop/158 to get more details on the same. So we can quickly start with the format of the event. So firstly, let me explain the event format. So it says first 30 minutes, we will discuss the topic and take learnings from the leaders, and then we'll open the forum to address viewers' questions. You can post your questions at the chat section or the Q&A section while the talk or at the Q&A time. Also, you can address the question to a particular speaker, or you can keep it general. So finally, we come to the level to talk about our speakers today. Today, we have with us 4 industry leaders, and I'm personally honored to interact with them. So our first speaker is Dr. Hari Krishnamaram. He's a digital brand ambassador and chairman of Vision Digital India, founder chairman, Imperial College. Dr. Maram's work in the field of management and management education spans over 26 years, include working for Novartis Global Pharma MNC for decades. He is an illustrious career in education and has served as a governing council member at AIMA, that is All India Management Association, Vice President at AIMS, Association of Indian Management Schools. His efforts in management education has been recognized on numerous occasions by the Government of India. He is also a part of the UGC committee, and he has received various prestigious awards in his career. We are so glad that today you could give out the time to be a part of this panel. Thank you so much, Dr. Hari, for being a part of the panel.
Thank you. It is my pleasure to be a part of this wonderful interaction event.
Thank you. So going to our second speaker, and I have personally been interacting with him since long. It's Karan Bindal, a serial mentor, investor, growth enabler in social impact ventures and initiatives, startups, and mainstay business ventures, an advisor and stakeholder in communities, focusing on mentoring or business consulting around social startup and women entrepreneurship. Co-founder of Brownlee Ventures, which is an incubation and an investment fund to support and grow ideation and nurturing of ventures focusing on social entrepreneurship and startups. We are so honored to have him with us today. Thank you so much, Mr. Karan, for joining us.
Thank you, Prakash. I'm sure I will learn a lot today with Dr. Hari and most of the other speakers. Thanks again.
Pleasure, yeah. Next, we have Mr. Anshuv Jain, energetic personality, a serial entrepreneur for the last 7 years and worked on 5 startups, with Bringle being the most valued one, with 141 countries organic reach and a network of 11,000 plus experts from 50 plus countries, 10 plus global partnership and established in UK and India. He has delivered 1,000 plus projects, over $100 million plus of hard savings in the last 18 years of business process reengineering and digital transformation experience. He has worked with companies like TCS, Cifi, Reliance, Acer, and many more. He is now on a mission to develop billion entrepreneurial mindsets, groom a million entrepreneurs, and bring 100 unicorns from the startup ecosystem. I'm so delighted to interact with you today, Anshab.
Thank you so much, Prakash. I think you have explained it very, very well, and thanks for such a good introduction. Entrepreneurship mindset is going to be very, very important today, and it's not just about entrepreneurship, about starting up your idea, but even in the organizations, they're now talking about startup culture. They want to adopt startup culture and entrepreneurship mindset. So we'll talk more about
Very
it
true.
in the session.
Very true. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. And then next, I'm personally inspired by her. So was going through her profile. It's Sharmila Tewatia. She has professional experience of 30 plus years in information technology industry, a co-founder with Bringle Academy, managing director, LSC Vardhan Association. She has served a member of board at many government forums and community. She is a part of many NGO associations, and her real life story, I think it's better to hear from her. That's the best one to do. I'm so inspired to read her story by myself, and privileged to have you with us today too. Thank you so much, Ms. Sharmila, for joining us today.
Thank you, Prakash. And it's my pleasure and honor to be here.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us.
So, Sharmila, I think Prakash would, also would be, in fact, not only Prakash, everybody would be interested to know about your story, how it started from the age of 5.5 years, and how you transformed yourself till now. And I actually am feeling a student today, but I want to learn many things from you.
Actually, it's the topic of the day, the mindset. How your mindset affects your growth, and that's how I have grown. I was 5 when I fell ill with encephalitis. That's a brain fever, and yes, it's a virus. So I have had epidemic experience at the age of 5, 50 years back. And I was in coma for a month. I woke up with my left side gone. One eye, one hand, my voice, my leg was completely gone. So my left side was off. It took me 15 years of therapy, extensive therapy, to regain my limbs and my speech. And I continue to have therapy even today, because you need to improve on what you have. Continuous excellence is a mindset. So I have developed that from the age of 5. I don't know anything else. Even today, I don't look at failure, because failure is, as a child, you have had been sitting on a swing, so you go up and down. So failure is the down part of the swing. You are definitely going to go up. you're going to reach that height. And of course, you come down in life as well. So you should know how to handle that. It's something that one should learn as an individual. I am a MSc in Maths. I am a diploma in Computer Science. I have done my MBA in Operations. I am a Six Sigma Black Belt. I swim, I cycle, I trek, I run marathons. I don't know how a disability in one limb or a speech problem has anything to do with your capability or your capacity to learn. So I have never
Very true.
stopped learning at all. That is all. That's my life.
It is so inspired.
Thank you so much,
So
Sharmila.
so
and
inspired to.
absolutely, absolutely.
So thank you so much for sharing that. I think in short, it really shows that a lot of inspiration has to be taken from you. So entrepreneurship cannot be only the business. Entrepreneurship can be in this journey as well. I think a lot of learnings from your side too. Thank you so much for sharing this.
Thank you, Prakash, for providing the opportunity.
And,
It's our pleasure. It's our pleasure.
And Prakash, I must tell you that you're doing a great job because entrepreneurship is something, if you can develop it at the age of whatever, 18 to 24, is the best time because it's all about mindset. You can
Very true.
really work hard even at any age. You can start your business at any age, but developing the right mindset is the time when you are between 18 to 24. It's the best time
Very
you can
true.
have.
I think that's the best time to sprinkle the spark in you and then see that how the seed can be planted, because the seed has to be planted at that point of time, and then only it can go to a next extent altogether. So today, I think the panel is all about that. So let's discuss more and hear more from the industry leaders here. So I think everyone, whatever they share, I think it's gonna be a big learnings, because learnings never die. Correct? It's be with you for a long term. So today, let's learn from everyone. And today, personally, I'm being a student and want to learn from the experience holders here, and then see what best we can get from them too. So today, we have a lot of students joined us. Thank you so much for joining us. I think,
Prakash, I think we should we can now go into the private session. We can go offline, and anybody who wants to join these sessions, we will be coming every Thursday, 5 p.m. IST. So please join in at pringalacademy.com/workshop/158, and you'll keep getting updates on various sessions. With this, I would like to say, keep bringing, keep growing, and we will meet you again in the session, in the session on the Zoom link. So let's see you all there. And all of you are already there on the session. Please be there. We'll just go offline and we'll come back. We'll discuss, take the session further.